Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So we did what? We did AB5, right? Yeah, the example we have to do steric number 5 we did, and we have to give an example of a molecule which is AB5. So AB5 will be something like this. Assalamu alaikum, Safwan. Okay, Safwan has not joined yet. Yes or no, guys? Assalamu alaikum, Safwan. How are you? You're fine. Acha. So you have to keep the camera on for this session. There are some instructions. Yeah, Safwan, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
अगली क्लास रखूंगा ओपन.
Sorry.
अगली क्लास से रखूंगा सर.
अरे अगली क्लास क्या? No, it is focus mode. Just I can see the camera, no one else. Okay.
अगली क्लास रखूंगा.
अरे आप मेरी बात रख लीजिए. But I'm giving you some time, okay? I'm giving you some time. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि हम थोड़ा बाल ठीक कर लेते हैं, I'm giving you some time, okay? Yeah. In 5 minutes, turn the camera on in 5 minutes, okay, Safwan?
जी सर.
जी. Okay. Now all of you agree, right? This is the structure of AB5. If we see any molecule, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, tell me. Now we want to arrive to an example. Okay, we want to arrive to an example. So there are two types of elements. Yes, guys, A and B.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Now, what do you think? What will be the valency of B? What will be the valency of B? What will be the valency of B? What do you think? 1, na? Because it is making one bond. That means the valency of B will be 1. Okay. Valency of B will be 1. Now, if you have valency 1, there are two groups which can have valency 1. That is group number what? Group number 1 or group number 17. Yes or no? Both of them can have valency 1 now, because in 17 you will have 7 valence electron, and 7 valence electron if you have 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. All of you guys got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you will tell me. So all of these. Okay, what about Mariam? You got this, Mariam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about the A molecule here? What should be the valency of A?
5.
Valency should be. Now tell me, which group has valency 5?
Nitrogen group 15.
It has valency 5 or 5 valence electron?
5 valence electron.
And the valency is 3, na?
Yes, sir.
Right. But we know that the second period onwards, that means third period onward, after second period, what the elements can do? Elements can expand their octet. They become hypervalent. That is why this A is having how many electrons? 10 electrons in the valence shell, right? So this obviously is, you are right, very right, that it will be group 15, and this will be one of the group 3 or above. Group 3 or above. The element will be group 3 or above. Yes or no? Arava, thank you very much.
Yes,
Safwan. Can you hear me, Safwan?
जी सर.
Thank you very much. Okay. So the valency will be what? The valency will be 5 only, and because it is I've written third group. This should be third period and onwards. Okay, this will be third period and onwards. Okay, A can be third periods and onwards. So we will take one of those elements. Acha, one of those elements. And we also know that group 1 elements, they majorly form what? They majorly form ionic bonds. That is why group 1 cannot be this B. Yes or no? Group 1 forms ionic bonds, no?
Yes, sir.
So what will be our element? Our element will be one of the group 17, one of the group 17 elements. So now we have a very clear picture. We can have an example of AB5. We can have an example of AB5, which is PCl5. Yes or no? This P is what? Group 15 and chlorine is group 17. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
So we will look at the structure of PCl5. What is the atomic number of phosphorus?
15.
15. What will be the electronic configuration? Neon. Neon.
3s2.
3s2.
3p.
3p.
5.
3p how much? Array, neon has how many electrons? 3p? 3p 10.
Neon 10.
So how many are remaining? You have to fill 15.
3p3.
Okay, 3p3, very good. Next step is ground state. So ground state we will write. These are the 2s and here we have 2p. Here we have 3p, okay? 1 electron, 2 electron. And here we have 1 electron, 1 electron, and another electron. Now you tell me, this phosphorus needs how many bonds? It is making how many bonds in PCl5?
1 bond.
Array, phosphorus is making 1 bond. How many bonds? 5 bonds. So how many unpaired electron does it need?
It has 3 unpaired electrons.
No, how many does it need?
It needs 2 more.
That means it needs 5 unpaired electrons. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here there is a chance of promotion, right? Because we don't have unpaired electrons as much as we need. And all, please remember that if you have 3, then please remember you have D subshell also present. D subshell is also present in the third shell. So this is the D subshell. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Now this is what? Now it is vacant. Now it is vacant. But there will be a promotion of electron. There can be a promotion of electron, right? Yes? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in excited state, so I'm just writing one of the d electrons. Okay, one of the d orbitals here. It has 1 electron. P has 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron, and D has here 1 electron. Okay. So this is S, P. These are all 3p, and there you have D. So all of these will mix together to form the hybrid orbital. There will be 5 hybrid orbitals. All of them are having 1 unpaired electron each, 1 unpaired electron each. Okay. Now, please see here. Please see. Example, you have chlorine. So chlorine will be having what? Chlorine will be having. What will be the electronic configuration for chlorine?
Neon 3s2.
Neon.
Yes.
Yes, neon. Neon. 3s2.
3p.
Neon 3s2, 3p.
6.
5. 3p5. Yeah, 3p5. Let us make the 3p6 हो जाएगा तो noble gas हो जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Four and 5. So how many unpaired electrons are there for chlorine? How many unpaired electrons?
1.
1 unpaired electron. And how many bond is 1 chlorine making here?
One.
One bond, na? It is making one bond. So is the promotion needed?
No.
No, promotion is not needed. So these are the chlorine's p orbitals. Okay, these are all p orbital. That one, this p orbital here, na? This is the p orbital that we have here. Now they should be having opposite spin. Now you can bond these. Now you can bond these like this. So you will get chlorine, 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 and chlorine. Okay. Now please remember this angle here is 90 degree, and this angle here is how much? 120.
Done, sir.
All of you are done?
Yes. Sir.
Safwan, Mariam,
Yes, sir.
what about you, Safwan? You're done?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Now we all know that in the last class, did we discuss about the axial bonds and the equatorial bond, that which will be higher? I mean, sorry, which will be greater in length? Did we discuss that? No. अरे भाई आप लोग तो हाँ ना कुछ नहीं बताते हैं. We did. हाँ क्या तो था हमने डिस्कस. देखिए axial bonds are no.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ये आप ही लोग का है ना. Please see static number 5.
Yes, sir. We did this.
The same thing ना.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So here what we will say, the axial bond of PCl5 is greater than equatorial bonds. Hence, axial bonds are weaker. And easy to break. Okay. Now, if you have PCl5, okay, and you heat it, then what will happen? Bonds will break. Okay. What will happen if you heat PCl5? The bonds will break. The phosphorus and chlorine bonds will break. Now tell me. Now you guys will tell me which of the bonds will break if I heat it, the axial ones or the equatorial ones? Which can easily break?
Equatorial.
We are saying axial bonds are weaker, na?
Axial bonds will break.
Axial bonds are weaker. So axial bonds will break. So how many axial bonds are there? अरे सफवान आप पढ़ लीजिए, कैमरा ही ठीक कर रहे हैं आप तब से.
नहीं सर वो डिकनेक्ट हो रहा है.
अच्छा. Okay. Yes guys, so tell me.
2 axial bonds.
2 axial bonds. That means 2 chlorines, right? 2 chlorines. तो 2 क्लोरीन निकलेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? You will get Cl2 and you will get PCl3. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Okay. So in class 12th, you will be asked this question. Explain this reaction by structure. Explain this reaction by structure. You can explain this by structure. Yes or no? This reaction.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Done, guys? जल्दी बताइए, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, fine. Now we will go to the case 2. Case 2 of steric number 5. Case 2 of steric number 5. Case 2. Now in case 2, sigma bond will be equal to how much? 4. And lone pair will be equal to how much? 1 lone pair, right? So this will be also equal to 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now you will tell me A, B, and how many B's? How many B should be there? How many B?
5B.
अरे 5B कैसे? सिग्मा 4 ही है, 4 बॉन्ड बन रहे हैं, 4 बॉन्ड बन रहे हैं तो 4B होगा ना? How 5? How 5? Sigma bond is 4. जब 4 sigma bond है तो B कहां से 4 हो जाएगा? There will be only 4 B's. Yes or no?
4B. Yes, sir.
4B, right? And 1 lone pair. And 1 lone pair. And 1 lone pair. What will be the hybridization? What will be the hybridization here? See the steric number. See the steric number and tell me hybridization. Steric number and tell me the hybridization. लीजिए.
sp3d.
हाँ, sp3d, please. You have that table, na? You have that table, right?
Yes, sir.
Steric number 5, sp3d. Steric number 5, sp3d. How many hybrid orbitals? How many hybrid orbitals?
5 hybrid.
Very good. 5 hybrid orbitals. What will be the geometry? All these things are dependent on what? All these things are dependent on the hybridization. What will be the geometry? What will be the geometry? कल ही तो किया हम लोगों ने. sp3d में क्या ज्योमेट्री होती है बताइए? sp3d में क्या ज्योमेट्री होती है? Ishma, Mariam, Safwan, can you please check the notes and tell me geometry for sp3d? Ishma नहीं मिल रहा क्या आपको?
Tetrahedral.
What I am saying, sp3d. आपको ये देखना ही नहीं है. ज्योमेट्री के लिए आपको इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर्स देखने. इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर्स कितने हैं? 5 है ना? इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर्स आर 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So geometry will be always, see, if it is sp3d, geometry will always be trigonal bipyramidal. You studied with this? We did this, na?
Yes.
Now I am making the geometry. Please look at the geometry, okay? Please look at the geometry. A, then you have what? Trigonal bipyramidal, okay? So this is the geometry here. All these are what? These are all the hybrid orbitals. What I have drawn like this now, these are all the hybrid orbitals, okay? So as I have drawn them as line, but please remember these are the hybrid orbitals. This is the geometry. This has lone, the electron pairs here. Okay, these are the electron pairs here. Now I will talk about the shape. So how will I give shape?
The bonds, by looking at the bonds.
By looking at the bonds, right? By looking at the bonds. So we have how many? We have 5 places now. And how many B do we have? Only 4, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we have to put a lone pair somewhere. Where will I put a lone pair? I have 2 choices here. Either I can put at the axial or in the equatorial, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, either in the axial or in the equatorial. So tell me, where should I put axial or equatorial? Axial or equatorial?
Axial.
Where is the repulsion higher, axial or equatorial?
In equatorial.
Repulsion is higher. अरे थोड़ा धैर्य रखिए, इतना जल्दी जवाब देने की कोई जरूरत भी नहीं है. अच्छा ये बताइए आप. Equatorial has, it is short.
Small bond.
No. Small bond होगा तब तो अच्छा है ना. Those electron pairs will be near to the nucleus. If it has small bond, repulsion is between what? Bond pair, na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Bond pair. So you will tell me, where is the bond pair distance larger, in 120 or 90? Where it is larger?
120.
So the repulsion will be greater in 120 or less in 120 if the distance is higher?
Greater.
If acha, I am what you are saying, tell me now. Explain कीजिए. Situation of equatorial. Please explain the situation of equatorial, Mahishma. I'm giving you some time. Think about it. Mariam, you also, okay? Think about it. Where will be the distance maximum? इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर में डिस्टेंस कहां ज्यादा होगा, 120 में या 90 में? यस हेशमा, बताइए. हेशमा,
Yes, sir.
where will be the distance larger, in 120 or 90, between the bond pairs, between the electron pairs?
120.
Okay. If you have two negatively charged electrons far away, then you will have less repulsion or high repulsion. If the electron pairs are far away,
Less repulsion.
less repulsion, na? So 120 में less repulsion होगा, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is why we will put the lone pairs in 120, that is equatorial. So we will put the electron pairs in one of those, any of those you can put, but we will put here, okay? We will put here. And then you can write the B here, the B here, B here, and B here. So what shape is this? This is the shape, okay? What shape is this? It is something like this, na? Yes or no?
Pi.
Pi? नहीं, अब बताइए.
Seesaw shape.
Yeah, seesaw. Very good. This is seesaw.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay. Now we will see what is the example for this, okay? This is very important now. You have, please don't write any of this. Okay, so how many valence electrons are there for A? The A should have how many valence electron? Yes, guys, tell me. गिन के बताइए ना, हमने तो लगा दिया यहाँ पे. अरे, what happened? Ishma and Mariam. Okay, tell me how many bond is A making? How many bond? A is making how many bonds?
4.
4 bonds. If 4 bond, it is making 4 bonds. That means it should have 4 unpaired electrons. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो वैलेंस शेल में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन तो होंगे ही होंगे. Yes, है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Now, plus how many lone pair it has? How many lone pairs?
1.
1 lone pair. That means 2 electron. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means 4 plus 2, how many electrons in the valence shell?
6 electrons.
6 electron. Now you tell me which of the group has 6 electron in the valence shell? Which group?
16.
Yes, very good. 16th group. Okay, 16. Now 16th group is having valence electron which is equal to 6. Now, but please see that. If I look at the bonds here, how many bonds is this making? 4 bonds plus 2. So in this particular structure, it is having 1, 2, 4 bond. That means 8 plus 2, that is 10 electrons. Yes or no? In this particular structure, it is having 10 electrons, more than 8, na?
Yes, sir.
That means what? That means third period or above. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now what will happen? Third period or above. So tell me one of the element. Okay, B will be group 17. है ना? These are, you can see what? It is group 17 element. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
One bond, and covalent bond. One bond, covalent bond, group 17. So here you will have example, third period and above, group 16. Tell me an element. Tell me the third period element on group 16. What is after oxygen? Oxygen के बाद क्या होता है?
Sulfur.
Sulfur. And what is the first element in the group 17?
Fluorine.
तो हो गया SF4. हो गया ना ये AB4.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? अब देखिए. अब see, I will not be making all the hybridization here. Okay, this is your homework. So hybridization, geometry, and shape of SF4. What happens, Safwan?
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही जब मैं वीडियो
मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही आपको? अच्छा
लैपटॉप में.
ओके. Now case 3, right? Case 3. Now in case 3 you will have what? Sigma is equal to 3 plus lone pair is equal to 2. How many sigma here?
3.
How many lone pairs? How
2.
many lone pairs? So steric number will be? Steric number will be how much?
5.
5. Okay, now tell me AB. How many B's? How many B?
3.
3B and 2 lone pairs, right?
Yes, sir.
2 lone pairs. Okay. Now tell me hybridization. अरे माइक तो ऑफ ही नहीं करना है, बोलते रहना आप लोगों को, लिखना तभी. Hybridization.
sp3d.
sp3.
Very good. sp3d. कौन D5 बोल दिया क्या किसी ने?
No, sir.
Yes,
sp3.
sir.
अच्छा, why you said sp3d5?
No, sir. Instead of D, I said 5 by mistake.
अच्छा, instead. अच्छा. No problem. Okay, geometry. Geometry will be
Diagonal
bipyramidal, TBP है ना, आसानी के लिए TBP. Okay, TBP. Now I will not be making everything here. I will not be making, see, geometry I will make. Okay, geometry I will make. Geometry तो ऐसे ही रहेगा. Yes or no? This is the geometry.
Yes, sir.
And the shape with this is geometry. Shape will be
Seesaw.
भाई seesaw. भाई देखिए तो अभी B तो डालने दीजिए. B कहाँ जाएगा? Lone pair will be on equatorial because of
Yes,
less
sir.
repulsion, and we will have B here. क्या shape आ गया बताइए? It is like this ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So इसको बोलते हैं T shape. है ना? So much of creativity. T shape. Okay, what is the angle here? It is
90.
approximately 90 degree. Okay, it is approximately 90 degree. Okay. Now A will have how many valence? अच्छा, लिख लीजिए आप लोग, लिख लीजिए. नहीं लिखा क्या आप लोगों ने? लिख लीजिए. इसके बाद पूछते हैं हम लोग एग्जाम्पल, है ना? We will look at the example. गाइस हो जाए तो बताइएगा, बैठे नहीं रहना है।
Done, sir.
ओके ओके
Done, sir.
डन, ऑल ऑफ यू, सफवान डन।
Done.
आपका तो हो ही जाता है, आप लोग लिखते भी कि नहीं लिखते पता नहीं। ये सफवान लिखते हैं ना?
जी जी।
जी, आपसे तो बात करनी है, थोड़ा देर पहले छोड़ देंगे क्लास को। नाउ केस 3 इज डन, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट द एग्जांपल। ओके, तो देखिए हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं। हम लोग देखते हैं सिग्मा बॉन्ड। सिग्मा बॉन्ड कितने हैं? हाउ मेनी सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स? अरे हाउ मेनी सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स? 4 4
3.
3। ओके, हाउ मेनी लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितने हैं?
4.
या सो वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू 3 + 4 which is equal to
7.
7. Now 7 means which group?
Fluorine.
Fluorine group, na? But please remember that it will be groups 17, but period will be 3, okay? Because it has more than 8 electron, expanded octet, so period 3. Now this B will be always what? B will be always group 17 and C. कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, फ्लोरीन ले लीजिए। Fluorine is so reactive, it will react with everything. It is so reactive, it will react with everything. It will form bonds, it will form molecules, elements with everyone. Okay, so fluorine is very reactive. Here, so I can say this element here, A is what? Fluorine, and we can say B is what? Fluorine. So we can write the example here. Please write the example here only. ClF3 हो गया है ना? ClF3 एग्जाम्पल्स भी आ गए आप लोगों को, जल्दी लिखिए।
Done, sir.
Okay. Now we have to go to steric number 6. Okay, now we have to go to steric number 6. अब तो बस आप लोगों को लिखते जाना, जवाब देते जाना बस, है ना? Steric number is equal to 6. In steric number 6, we will look at the case 1. Case 1. Now in case 1, we will have sigma is equal to 6 plus lone pair is equal to 0. Lone pair is equal to 0. What will be the AB? Tell me how many B's? How many B?
6B.
6B. Very good. Now, what is the steric number? Steric number is?
6.
Yes. What is the hybridization?
6.
अरे 6 hybridization 6. क्या खाए हैं आप आज?
Oh, sp3d.
sp3d? अरे टेबल देख के बोल लीजिए, टेबल बोल देख के बोल लीजिए।
sp3d.
अरे फिर sp3d?
Sir, I wrote sp3d.
You wrote sp3d for steric number 6 and steric number 5 both.
Yes, sir.
तो गलती कर दी ना फिर आपने। d2 कर लीजिए इसको। अच्छा, हमने ही गलती लिख दिया यहाँ पे, d2 नहीं किया था हमने। चलिए, इसको मिस्टेक था, सही कर लीजिए इसको, d2 हो जाएगा ये, है ना? sp3d2। sp3d2, then you will have hybrid orbitals, है ना? Hybrid orbitals are how many? 6 hybrid orbitals. Okay, 6 hybrid orbitals. Then you will have geometry. Geometry यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Octahedral, right? Octahedral, because if you have A, then you can have, you can keep this in a sphere also, right? So if you have like this, and just suppose this is the sphere and these are the surface, तो ये एकदम बीच में है, and these are all the radiuses, right? All these radiuses. If all these radiuses are there, the bond length will be same everywhere. Okay, the bond length will be same everywhere, and the angle will also be same here. Okay, angle will also be same. So this geometry is known as octahedral. Please write octahedral geometry, and the geometry is like this. A. Okay, this is geometry. Now I will make the shape. Now here geometry and shape will be same because we don't have any lone pairs, right? So this is also the shape. We have 6 electron pairs, all will have B with them. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you following, guys? You are following now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Chaliye. So this is geometry, and what is the shape? Shape is also octahedral. All the angles here are 90 degree. Okay, all the angles here are 90 degree. अच्छा, for an example, इसमें A तो छोड़ दीजिए अभी, A अभी छोड़ दीजिए. What will be B? What will be B? Which element?
Hydrogen or
हाइड्रोजन नहीं, फ्लोरीन.
I mean the group
Fluorine.
that fluorine.
नहीं ग्रुप सब छोड़ दीजिए. कोई पूछे फ्लोरीन, what is the, है ना? See, I mean there can be other elements also, but just that, see, fluorine is very reactive. It forms element with almost all of the compounds. Okay, it forms element with almost all of the compound. So fluorine is the safest bet. It is the safest bet. अगर आपसे कोई ग्रुप पूछे तब आप बोलिए हाँ 17. That is correct answer. 17 is the correct answer. But if somebody asks element कोई बताओ, then use बेझिझक fluorine, because fluorine is very reactive. Done. हर किसी से दोस्ती. Done. Angle.
1 minute, sir.
अच्छा. Okay.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Now, for example, so valence electron of A will be equal to how much? 6 plus 0, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because 6 sigma bond, 0 lone pair electrons. Okay, 0 lone pair electrons. So this will be equal to 6 valence electron. That means which group? Group number 16, right?
Yes, sir.
Group number 16. So sulfur and fluorine 6. This is an example. है ना? Please write this down.
Done, sir.
Case 2. Right, case 2. Sigma bond is equal to 5 plus lone pair is equal to 1. What will be AB? How many B's?
5 P's.
Hybrid steric number बोलिए.
6.
Steric number 6. Hybridization
sp3d2.
sp3d2. Geometry
Octahedral.
Okay, what else do we write? Geometry के बाद हम लोग देखते हैं hybrid orbital. Okay, hybrid orbital will be same again. 6 hybrid orbitals. Okay, so geometry will be like this. A. Geometry is same only, right? Geometry is same only. Now we will look at the shape. Okay, we will look at the shape. So for shape, what do we have to do? We have to write the B's. Now see, all the bond angles are same here. Okay, all the bond angles are same. I can put the B anywhere. And the lone pair anywhere. I have not shown lone pair here. Let me show the lone pair here. So I will put the lone pair here. Okay, I have put the lone pair here, and these are the B. So B कहाँ पे देखिए, आपके ये 4 कोने में B है. Okay, these are the 4 corners, and then you have a B here on the top. So what is this? Like a pyramid, na?
Yes, sir.
What pyramid? Trigonal or a square? Yeah, very good. What is the shape? Shape is square pyramidal. Square pyramidal. है ना? अब एग्जांपल के लिए बताइएगा. B तो आपका फ्लोरीन है ना? B तो मान लीजिए फ्लोरीन.
Yes,
B
sir.
is fluorine. Then you will have, what is A? Valence electron of A.
7.
Yeah, very good. 7. देखिए कितने सही हैं आप लोग, पहुंच ही जा रहे हैं एकदम बिल्कुल आंसर पे. Very good. Valence electron is equal to 7. That means group
17.
Group is what? Group is 17. Okay. Yeah, 17. So you can have ClF5 also and BrF5 also. Okay. But see, देखिए 5 फ्लोरीन को accommodate करना क्लोरीन की बस की बात नहीं है. That is why this is unstable. Okay. Chlorine is smaller than bromine. ना bromine is very large, so it can accommodate. वो अपने घर में रख सकता है 5 फ्लोरीन को. But chlorine cannot, है ना? Chlorine cannot. That is why BrF5 is more stable. Done, guys?
1 minute,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so this is an example. This is correct example. BRF5.
Done, sir.
Okay, now write case 3. Case 3. बताइए sigma bond is equal to
4,
4 plus lone pair
2,
2 AB
AB, 4 lone pairs,
2 lone pairs. Okay. Now steric number
6,
6. Hybridization
sp3d2,
sp3d2, and after that geometry
octahedral.
octahedral. सफवान आपको नहीं आ रहा है क्या? आप एकदम एक भी जवाब ही नहीं देते, ऐसा लगता है आप क्लास में है ही नहीं। ये सफवान
जी सर, इधर ही हूँ।
कहाँ दे रहे हैं आप? तो जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे हैं कुछ। दिस इज ज्योमेट्री राइट। इसमें भी हाँ ना भी नहीं बोलते हैं, देखिए हाँ ना भी नहीं बोल रहे हैं। ज्योमेट्री पूछा हमने, कुछ जवाब ही नहीं। मिस्टर इंडिया बहुत देखा था क्या आपने? मिस्टर इंडिया बहुत देखा था क्या?
जी सर, कुछ नहीं देखा।
कुछ नहीं देखा है आपने? मिस्टर इंडिया देखा है किसी ने?
Sir, I
किसी ने नहीं
remember
देखा?
watching, but I don't remember the movie.
Actually, you don't remember the movie. Okay, so I watched some movies. I don't remember. I remember only one thing कि उसमें एक वो घड़ी पहन लेता है, उसके बाद वो नहीं दिखता है. That's it. Yeah, that's the only thing I remember. And there is one dialogue, "Bogambo Khoshwa," I guess that is in Mr. India.
Yes, sir.
That's only what I remember. Okay, so the shape here will be, now we have to put this very logically so that we could get a good shape in this structure. But you can put the lone pairs anywhere. Okay, I am putting it in this way so that you can see this as this is B here, this is B here, this is B here, this is B here. So this is in one square, right? This is one square, and this is a planar structure. So जैसे trigonal planar था, वैसे ये क्या है? Square planar. This is shape is square planar. Square planar. Okay, square planar. अब देखिए example. अब बताइए valence electron of A is equal to how much? Tell me.
8,
8 valence electron. Na? So group will be
18.
group 18. Noble gases. Oh my God, noble gases are making elements. Now in this noble gases, only one of them make elements, and this is Xe. Okay, Xe makes elements. So Xe, and what is B? What is B?
Fluorine.
Very good. Thank you. Very good. Very good. So hybridization, Vesper theory, all things are done. है ना? Hybridization भी हो गया, Vesper theory भी हो गया. Hybridization is also done. Vesper theory is also done.
Done, sir.
All of you are done? 1 minute, Safwan. Okay. हो जाए तो बताइएगा.
डन सर।
Done. Okay, very good. Now we'll write a question. Now this case is not given, but I do this in a form of question. Determine hybridization. Now first of all, we will determine the steric number. Okay, we'll determine the steric number. Steric number कोई पूछेगा नहीं, लेकिन हमेशा जब भी hybridization जैसे सवाल हो, steric number कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए. Steric number, hybridization, geometry, and shape of XeF2. XeF2. Okay guys.
Yes, sir.
अब बताइए Xe के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं? Xe has how many electrons? Don't write anything. Please just answer me. Xe has how many electrons?
Electrons.
How many?
8.
8 electrons. ना 8 electrons. देखिए इसमें ना आप लोग लुईस डॉट स्ट्रक्चर बना सकते हैं क्या? इसका लुईस डॉट स्ट्रक्चर बनाइएगा. मेक अ लुईस डॉट स्ट्रक्चर ना. मेक द लुईस डॉट स्ट्रक्चर फॉर XeF2. 2s8 करके लुईस डॉट स्ट्रक्चर बनाइए. इसमें एक्सपैंड कर जाएगा ऑक्टेट, ये याद रखिएगा, इसमें एक्सपैंड कर जाएगा ऑक्टेट, है ना। सो फ्लोरीन को जस्ट आप क्या कीजिए, ये आपका बन जाएगा Xc हो गया, एक फ्लोरीन यहाँ पे और एक फ्लोरीन यहाँ पे, राइट। सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन, दिस इज अनदर इलेक्ट्रॉन। अब जेनॉन के कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन यूज हुए, 2 बॉन्ड बना रहा है जेनॉन। अच्छा, हाउ मेनी बॉन्ड इज जेनॉन मेकिंग?
4 bonds.
4 bonds, right? So हमने ये देखा था कि वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ सिग्मा बॉन्ड्स प्लस लोन पेयर्स, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
अब यहाँ पे आप बताइए कि वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने, 8 है ना?
Yes,
There are
sir.
8 valence electron in xenon. यहाँ पे नहीं, ऐसे in general. And sigma bond is how many? 2.
2.
Now plus lone pair will be how much? 6 lone pair electrons. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो अब 3 पेयर बना देते हैं हम लोग, है ना, 3 पेयर, राइट। 3 pairs. We have got 3 pairs. That means steric number will be equal to how much? अभी बताइए steric number कितना हो जाएगा? 2 plus how many lone pairs?
6.
3 lone pairs. इलेक्ट्रॉन 6 हैं, 3 lone pairs, है ना?
Yes, sir. Pairs.
है कि नहीं, है ना? पेयर्स 5 हो गया। हाइब्रिडाइजेशन बता दीजिए अब।
SPD.
sp3d
sp3d, वेरी गुड।
sp3.
ज्योमेट्री, हाँ वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। ज्योमेट्री बताइए अब।
Tetrahedral.
अरे भाई sp3d है, sp3d, tbp, tbp ना, ट्राइगोनल बाइपिरामिडल sp3d
Yes,
में, है ना। पहले आप ज्योमेट्री बनाइए इसका, xc, okay. Now where do we put the we will put the lone pairs on equatorial because of less repulsion. हाँ,
Yes, sir.
और ये फ्लोरीन यहाँ पे आ जाएगा बचे हुए में, है कि नहीं? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now you see what structure is this? What is the shape if I just look at the bonds? It is a line, na? It is a straight line.
Linear.
Yeah, very good, very good. This is the shape. Linear. अब देखिए यही करना है आप लोगों को हमेशा। आप लोग क्या कीजिए, वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन, है ना, तो आपको पता हो जाएगा किससे। इफ यू विल लुक एट द एलिमेंट यू विल नो द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन। वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए आप क्या चाहिए, ग्रुप नंबर पता होना चाहिए। ग्रुप नंबर के लिए आपको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन चाहिए। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन घूम फिर के आएगा जाएगा। Now after that what you have to do, after that you have to find the lone pair electrons, number of lone pair electrons. Now after lone pair electrons what you have to do, after lone pair electrons you have to find the pairs, then the steric number, hybridization, geometry, shape, तो उसके बाद आ ही जाएगा, ठीक है। Done everyone?
1 minute, sir.
जिन लोगों ने कर लिया लोग यहाँ पे लिखें। You have to determine steric number, hybridization, geometry, and shape of BeCl2, BeCl3, SiCl4, AsF5, H2S, PS3. Done guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. चलिए, thank you very much. सफवान आप रहिए, बाकी सब जाइए।
Sir, the second last.
H2S, H2S,
Okay, sir.
H2S.
what is after SiCl4?
AsF5. AsF5. And Hishma, you asked Nishkar sir, okay, about the PDF. हमने भेज दिया है।
Okay, sir.
ठीक है।